Careful now, don't drop this beauty. Never. These are too precious. We are doing well today. Bring the baskets over here, quickly now.
Yes.
Yes, stacking them by the tractor.
Easy on the brakes, bring it back 10 more feet.
Pallets 3 and 4 are clear for scanning. Move them to holding.
Confirmed, moving to holding.
The analysis is complete. All parameters passed. Approved for the next stage.
The temperature is holding steady at 150 Celsius.
Good, the aroma is developing perfectly.
The viscosity levels are stabilizing right on target.
Perfect, the blend looks incredibly smooth.
Section. The chocolate mixture passes through advanced refining rollers, reducing every tiny particle to create a...
Keep the temperature at 45 degrees. The consistency is perfect. Noted. Noted. We'll maintain the current speed.
Weight is confirmed, and the labeling is accurate.
Send this pallet directly to staging area 3.
Watch the clearance on your right. Bring that pallet to staging area 3 immediately. Make sure every box is scanned before it moves to shipping.
Pallet jack coming through. Clear the entrance, please.
Please.
Okay, I have the manifest right here. 30 cases of milk chocolate.
Look how organized this is.
Oh, wow, they have the new dark chocolate bar.
We should get a few of these for the party tonight.
Look, Poppy, can we get these ones? They look so good.
Okay, let's get a few for the weekend.
Here are your bags. Have a great day.
Thank you, you too.
Listen to that snap.
It's so good.
Can I have another piece, Dad?
Discover the art of fine chocolate. Handcrafted with the freshest ingredients for an unparalleled taste experience.